그래서 정축의 역시 우리는 열개所以해외文化中出的是国家级，还有个啥叫国际出口的，也大家都讲出的是那些关系，微细的，我做我们经济些微细的，但是还有微细规模，然后我们中创的有一些新的新的。
Next is Class 10, led by Mr. Nelson. The class banner reads Unity in Diversity.
结构属这个主内容也是内定微细的理解和理解的微细规模，这个就是历史规模，然后我们中创的统计信息关系。
Class 9 contingent is led by Mr. Siri. Their banner has the slogan One World, One Humanity. Tibet, embossed in the center, symbolizing 64 years of our struggle in exile. Alongside, we have a group of 63 students, each bearing a green banner with the TCB logo in the center. TCB is now 63 years old with 1,036 students and 168 staff members at present.
这个党对国际当中，在中美他的包括经济、区域、经济、维系的应用，那主要是经济的它的反映历史规模，然后那么是它的主体体系关系。
Following the house prefects and banners, we have the class-wise march past. First is the class 12 contingent, led by Miss Vincent Chui.
这里给了经济是维系和国际体系些对这个对它的反映历史规模，然后那么是它的主体体系关系。
Miss Vincent Children is leading the class 8 contingent. The class banner carries
这里给了经济是维系和国际体系些对这个对它的反映历史规模，然后那么是它的主体体系关系。
Miss Vincent Children is leading the class 8 contingent. The class banner carries
这个别了嘛，工作方面呢，预计维系的第一手，或者国际上对对外当局写的对这个对它反映历史规模，然后那么做出它的主体体系关系。
And bringing up the rear is the class 6 contingent led by Miss Bumso Wongmo. Their class banner carries the slogan, Be the change that you wish to see in the world. India has provided consistent support and fortitude for the last 64 years. For this, we shall forever remain indebted and grateful.